Hey guys, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. For today's video, we're going to be doing grilled chicken wings with sliced potatoes. Let's go inside and get things started. Hey guys, here we are. We're back inside of the Triple R kitchen. So for today's ingredients, we have a little over 2 pounds of chicken wings. And then we have our russet potatoes. We ended up cutting about 4 of them. I cut them about a 1/4 inch thick. So we're going to be putting those on the grill. But for now, so let's go ahead and get everything kind of mixed in and get it ready for the grill. Basically, real simple. Just going to use olive oil. Drizzle it, a couple of tablespoons. And for me, I'm just going to use my SPG mixture that I use. So I'll put that on there. And then I'm just going to mix it in. Make sure all the potatoes get a good coating of the olive oil. And with the SPG, I'm going to move some on the side, bring the ones that were on the bottom to the top, add just a little bit more on that. Give it a good mixture. As you can see, got a good coating on there. So now we're ready for the chicken wings. So we're gonna go ahead and make our dry rub. So we have our paprika, we have our chili powder, we have our garlic powder, and we have our onion powder. And all this will be at the bottom of the description. So like I said, whatever you want to use, but it's what you use. So I'll probably use about a tablespoon of black pepper, and probably about maybe half a tablespoon of the Himalayan salt. Like I said, that's what we like to use, and then just mix it up. Once you get it mixed up, that smells good. It's got a good aroma. Now, just sprinkle a little bit on the chicken. I don't use all the spice right away. I like to get it mixed up. Get it all in there. And then also, just go ahead and add the rest of it. You can see kind of like the red tinge color on it a little bit. Add a little bit more. Get it mixed up. Some more. Get it nice and coated. Now, just dump the rest of it in there. Got a nice good coating, so I'm going to take these gloves off. And you guys, it's a hot day today. Got to have a nice cold Corona Premier. So now we got everything ready for the grill. So we'll go outside and let's get things on. Alright guys, here we are. We already have our chicken. We have some of it on the grill. The fire's ready, so we're going to get these on the grill. Once they are done, we'll come back and we'll get the potatoes on here, and then we'll get it closed up and we should be ready to go. Alright guys, as you can see, I've already started pulling some of these wings off, so they're ready. So let me get the rest of these off, and then we'll go ahead and get the potato slices on there. So they've been actually just sitting in that olive oil. So that's done. So now let me just get these potato slices on there. I'll get them all on there, and then once we're ready, we'll come back and we'll be ready. Hey guys, as you can see, we got our potatoes. They've already been flipped. They've already been pretty much cooked all the way through. Now we're just adding the jalapeno pepper jack cheese to it. We can get it melted, and once they're done, we'll take them inside. We'll get them plated up, and we'll give it a try. All right, guys. As you can see here, we have everything plated up. We already have everything pulled off the grill. We have our grilled chicken wings with our dry rub, and we also have our sliced potatoes with our pepper jack jalapeno cheese. So now we're gonna just give it a try. But like I said, if you guys try this recipe, let us know. Hit us up on our comments, and you guys don't forget also give us a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button with the R Backyard Grillin emblem. Red square, so you guys don't forget, hit that, okay? So now let's give it a try. I'm gonna grab a wing, and also I'm gonna grab a sliced potato. I like to try it with the ranch on there. Wow. You can taste the dry rub, taste a little bit of the smokiness. That tastes great. Now let's try the pepper jack potato slice. Also again, a little bit of the ranch. Soft. You can taste a little bit of the bite of the jalapeno of the pepper jack. Ooh, tastes great. Also goes great with the Corona Premier. All right, guys. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And you know what? We'll see you guys next round.